This campaign, One United Roar, the roar of the lions representing all of nature.
As the lion roars, we can hear nature calling.
Ke nyaka gore tlhago ya rena e bolokege ka ntle le tlhago ga go sere ka semaka mo lefatsheng.
Our systems have to support ecosystems if we are going to survive into the future.
Re kono bana dziphuka dzashu ngauri arali ra sa dzi tsireledza vhana vashu va nga si kone u dzi vhona na u dzi ḓivha ri ḓo fheledza ri sina zwine ra vha nazwo sa ma-Afrika.
Laat ons beskermend staan as mensekinders van ons aarde.
Time to do so is now and never tomorrow, for tomorrow is only a sleeping dream.
We can unite to roar out loud for all creation.
The One United Roar campaign invites you to reawaken your lion heart, let the animals speak through you, and stand up for animal rights.